Twalib Mbarak niwe afitha wa mbere murugamiriri wa komishoni ya kurwa na ungumania gutiria itena ria miaka 6 ya utungata wake kuma riria ruhonge ruru ruombirwo, na tondu ndangiongererwo ihinda kuringana na watho, thabari ya kuihuria giturwa giake ni yambiriirie. Abdi Mohamud uria wamuritwo kuihuria ithenya riria kihungwo ni kamiti ya bunge ya watho.
We have a disconnect especially between the commission and the youth, and because the youth in the current situation are mainly concerned with looking at social media. So I think we need to do more going into the social media.
Mohamud ni wakiri ukoretwo komishoni ino kwa ihinda ria miaka 19 na niwe wathundurire mutaratara wa gutabania uthuthuria kuria gwekuirwo ungumania. Anatungata honge-ini itiganite cia komishoni ino na ambatirite nginya gituro-ini kia munini wa murugamiriri wa EACC kiria nyitireire kahinda-ini gaka. Mbere ya aingirite kurwa na ungumania ari afitha wa borithi, no cira-ini wa kuhagura uria urari munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua, Mohamud ari muira uria wateithiriirie kumba cira wa kuinukia Rigathi.
I have no connection to any political party and I will not be used as conveyor belt.
Mohamud anyitiriire ati kwagiriire guthugundwo njira njegega ya guthurima ungumania kuringana na fomu cia kwanirira utonga iria ria marenda guthurwo kana mawira ma thirikari mandikithagia, tondu uria ciri kahinda-ini gaka gutikoragwo na njira ya gutariria kana maundu maria mandikithio ni mama. Mohamud ongereire ati bara ya ungumania na njira nene iteagirwa wathi ni ofisi ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi na komishoni ya kurwa na ungumania itaheo mahinya ma gutongoria thitango, maundu mothe maririkagirira na macira ma ungumania guteanirio ona matathiite haraya na indo cia muingi cigetahirwo ni turia nime.
The fact that EACC doesn't have the prosecutorial powers, that's why it is unable to prosecute cases successfully.
The request to the DPP for the gazettement of some of our lawyers, we did in the past and it was declined.
Kamiti ino nirikite gukindira Abdi Mohamud ayukie wira wa gutongoria komishoni ya kurwa na ungumania, na riu aroretwo iguru onekane uria ekuringa mukuru uria wanaremerera aingi aria manaikarira giturwa giki mbere yake.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.